Hello kiddies, in this episode we're in Verona, which is up here in Italy. So we've left the Dolomites and we've come to Verona. So let's see what exciting things we find here. I was very excited to see my first scooter. Thought, yes, I've finally made it to Italy. Had a wander along this lovely street and off we went. Now, if you get this video, I haven't died, but I probably shouldn't be doing the things that I'm doing. But I'm pretty sick, pretty vertigo, don't really care. Oh, look at this old bridge. Like, it's probably been there forever. And then we come around here, and you see why I probably shouldn't be here, because I'm just on this dodgy street all by myself. But look at that old bridge and that view. That's just gorgeous, isn't it? I'm feeling up to at least finding Juliet's house. We'll see if we find anything else. I'd like something to eat as well. We'll see how we go. Look at this place. It's old. Who knows how old it is? Could just be kind of new. Beautiful trees going in. But I'll stumble out of this way. And the camera is rocking because I'm stumbling. Vertigo, best thing around. Love it. 3 days now, but have to get out. So we're going to find Juliet's house if we find nothing else today. But we'll go back and have a good night's sleep. It's the only day we've got in Verona, and we've had a Thai massage, so we've got to get moving. Look, check out that wall. How long's that wall been there for? And it's just on the way. We're just kind of following the riverbank along till we get more into Verona. And comes on the streets, and then check out what you find. And that goes onto the river. I wonder how much that is worth. Check out that place from another angle. It's some kind of castle, but I saw her find some spaghetti, so we're going to go find spaghetti. Oh, haven't turned you off yet. Hang on. Oh, I see ya. Not bad for lunch here. Bit of parts, prosciutto, pasta's coming. Ignore the giveaway sign. I reckon the no entry sign. I reckon I'm doing all right. Oh, it's warm. Yum. Oh my gosh, that's real. Found what everyone comes to see. Some castle, I'll put the name underneath, but there's an old font over there that if I didn't feel this sick I'd tell you all about it. Oh, look at that beauty! It's gorgeous! Oh, isn't that a beauty? See the things you find when you're just wandering the streets aimlessly. No, we're off to Romeo's house. Let's go find it before we find Juliet. Man, look at the streets if you don't follow the crowd. I'm one street away from the crowd. And look at that beautiful cobblestone street. It's incredibly hard for me to walk on. But we're off to Romeo's. But isn't that beautiful? Well, we found where he lived. People right on the walls. Where they're at now. We'll go see where she lived, shall we? Well, according to this, She only lived a 14-minute walk away, which isn't that far. Let's see if we can go find where she came from. Well, stumbled across it. Wasn't where I thought it was. Let's go see what all the hype's about. Oh, love. Lots of people to see the balcony over there. What was that movie where they lived just up there?
I would write them.
Do they really answer all the letters? You do. You sit and have a rest when you need one. And look at this. It's been the old fort into the city or something like. And you're just sitting here and it's like, and leaves fall off trees. It's like, this is an amazing place. And like, it's only really a first Italian place because the Dolomites, that was just mountains. I mean, this is like a city. It's just like, how much fun are we going to have?